So we got a new launch today. This is Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot. The person that made this is Andreas Quintada. He's a top 5% vendor, affiliate, elite vendor, elite affiliate, 13 products of the day. And I like to also show you really, really good sales. His product sells really well. And he's got a 4.55 star rating out of over 17,000 sales. So this is one of the good vendors. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys today. They just launched this like an hour ago, and we are going to go take it for a test drive. I'll come down here and show you kind of the market. Now, I did one other similar product, but it was actually Claude based. Use like projects and Claude and everything. This one is going to be more Chat GPT based, and it's a bot that's going to we're going to go test it out right in front of you live. But it might even be easier because you're just going to tell the bot what to do. It's going to ask you questions that it's unsure of, and then it's going to write literally books that are 20,000, 40,000 words and so forth. Come down and look at here. So you have the best sellers in cozy fantasy fiction. And these are all books that they've highlighted right here. So most titles in the Cozy Fantasy Top 10 today have fewer than 100 reviews. So the circled titles rank inside the top 10 of fast growing category, have between 30 to 95 reviews. So this means that the door's wide open, consistent reader demand, and room for new books to enter and rank. I get a lot of questions right here too. And then look at this. They have proof after proof of that their stuff makes money. They release bots and they release products that help all these people make money selling their books on Amazon and getting their first books published. I'm going to open up. We're going to get something going right over here, and then I'm going to go over my bonus. So stick with me while this is creating for us. Actually, I'm just going to go show you that real quick, and then we'll jump into the Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot. But I did put together a unique exclusive bonus if you do decide to pick this up with the link below. I've got $170 worth of exclusive bonuses. Every single bonus that I give to you is created by me. These are not something that I rip off of somebody else or PLR or anything like that. These are either going to be personally tutorial trainings where I record my screen, teach you what I know and teach you how to take this to the next level. It might be a research report or guide. It might be a software. But these are all my custom bonuses right here. I created this one, the Royalties Bot bonus right over here. And this is a Cozy Fantasy marketing swipe right here. So the Royalty Bot helps you create the book. My exclusive bonus package helps you polish it, launch it, promote it, and turn book number one into a beginning of your Cozy Fantasy publishing brand. This specific bonus is a 29-page doc file with a perfect marketing and promotion plan for your book launch right there. Then I have Cozy Co-Author. This was in the same genre right here. And this was a 20 high quality niches for Cozy Fantasy for this type of right over here, and this gives you even more research niches right there as well. And then I have a software over here. It's the Bible Niche Finder, a keyword research tool for Christian KDP books. It's related to KDP. I think I've only given this out as a bonus one time, so I'm offering that one as well. So all three bonuses are yours if you do decide to pick up Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot with my link below. With all that said, let's test out the tool now. So we're right in here. I'm just going to click this Start Book here. And now we're going to go and test this out. Remember to come up here. They do recommend on the model. You want to put this one right here, GPT Creator recommended. So that thinking, I do have that on. It's right here. I do have it under thinking and standard. I think that's good enough. So it says, welcome to the Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot. I'm your co-author for warm, magical stories full of family, gentle wonder, and places readers will wish they could visit. Together, we'll create an original cozy fantasy book that feels like coming from home. What pen name would you like on the cover? Type your pen name or suggest. So I'm going to go and just say suggest, right? So it tells us what to do. And all we have to do is go like this. And we can go with Lucian. I like the number 3, so let's go with 3 and then just push enter right there. So these are AI generated ideas. Before using the pen name, go and check on Amazon to make sure that hasn't been used. How long would you like your cozy fantasy? I'm going to say number 1 there and then push enter. So see how we're just literally like just typing in 1, 2, 3, and then that's it, right? So you've selected number 1, a short novel, 20 chapters, about 1,000 words each, approximately 20,000 words total. Remember, if you do number 2, it can write up to 40,000 words or more. So option A, pick a cozy fantasy sub niche. So it's got all these right over here. Seaside Magic. I'm going to go with number 10, Seaside Magic. So we're going to say 10. And it also says option B, recommended premium prompt. So you can get that as a upgrade. I'm going to go over those in a minute. So we're going to say number 10 right there. Boom. You can get even in more advanced prompts as well. And then you've selected A10 Seaside Magic. Here's your original Cozy Fantasy concept, working title, The Sea Glass Lantern. Boom, the story takes place in the Bellwether Cove. Boom, it did all this for us right here. Does this concept feel right? And I'm just going to say yes and go. And then once it starts actually writing, then I'm going to go over there and I'll show you the one-time offer upgrades. So please open a Google Doc or a Word doc now so you can paste each section as we go. You're welcome to use the book template in school community for your general genre. So what they recommend doing is every chapter to copy and paste it into as you go, because if something ends up happening to your chat, that actually can happen and has happened to me. You won't lose all your work. And then also, even when you come back, if it's a big, 20, 30, 40,000 word, giant kind of chat thread, you're also likely, or it's possible that you will lose your work. So they recommend copying and pasting into a Word document. So we have a story Bible. So it actually creates the story Bible, which is basically the brainstorm or the mapping of the entire book. You have your protagonist, you have your setting, your magic rules, and you can read through this and see if there's something you want to change or not. I think it's good. See Glass Lantern. Here's the prologue right here. And then complete, please copy this into the document ready for chapter 1, type yes. So I'm going to say chapter 1, yes, it's going to go right to chapter 1 while it's writing chapter 1 right here as we speak. The shop that remembered. By the time Mara Vale reached the bottom of Station Hill, Bellwether Cove had decided to stop raining and begin dripping instead. Water ticked from striped awnings, slipped from guttered mouths shaped like fish, and gathered in the uneven stones of the harbor, blah, blah, blah. So you can see that this is straight up like what you would expect in this genre. That is, it's very heavy, very descriptive, very much about the scene and everything right there. One thing that you could probably do is if you wanted to research like the age range and maybe say, hey, I want to make this for middle schoolers or I want to make this for adults or whatever like that. But there we have right there. I'm going to go over here and look at the products now. So here are the one-time offers. There's one-time offer 1, Cozy Fantasy Vault 100 prompts. 100 deeply researched, copy, paste ready, Cozy Fantasy sub-niche prompts right there. We have the Fantasy Master Archive 200 prompts right there. It's covering the full spectrum of Cozy Fantasy sub-niches. So if you want like 1 million niches, go ahead and pick up the one-time offers right there. Then you have Publishing Success Accelerator. Every new bot we build, monthly niche reports, full training. If you want to turn this into a business, OTO 3 and 4. OTO 3 is definitely the one you want to pick up. And then OTO 4, AI Sales Rocket. Turn your publishing momentum into a full digital product business with AI-powered systems. Let me get that pricing for you guys as well. Click on products over here. So OTO 1 is $27. OTO 2 is $37. The OTO 3 is monthly at $38. There will be an offer for yearly at $380, so you'll save money. And then the Unlimited Sales Rocket is a $97 offer. Okay, so let's go back. We have chapter 1. It just wrote. And what we'll do is I will copy this right here, chapter 1, and I'm going to go into a word counter real quick. And we have 1,300 words right there, right? So they said 1,000 words. We're at 1,300 words right there. Really, really cool stuff right there. So then when we are done, let's scroll down, chapter 1, cool, chapter 2. So boom. What you would do is also, if we're come up here, and let's just say you copy this, right? Here's what you'd want to do. You'd want to go over here. You would want to go into Word. Let's just go open up Word real quick. And I'll open up Word for you and just show you how I would do this. Of course, it opens up on my second monitor. So I would come over here and I would paste this in. That's chapter 1 right there. So we're looking good. But then remember to come down through here and remove that last sentence. Always remove that last sentence. Read it. Boom. We're looking good. And then you would just push return. And then you would put chapter 2 there. Okay. So that's how that works. So we just type in yes. And now it's going to go and start writing chapter 2. So then we're just going to keep going. Just like that, writing super, super fast. Now, of course, what I recommend if you really want to take this serious is actually reading the story like one by one, right? Chapter by chapter, and just seeing like, I don't like this part. Let's change this part, right? You can really, truly do that. And that's why I think the process should be interactive, where you kind of make some corrections, you kind of steer it a little bit. You kind of say, I don't like this kind of sentence. It's a little too plain. It's a little too this or whatever. And that way you can kind of make those customizations while right here and then copy and paste that in when you have your final draft. And then you can move on to the next chapter. Another thing that you could do is you technically could just write this the way it is. And then you could go and actually hire someone on Fiverr and pay them like 30 to 50 bucks or whatever, maybe up to $100 to actually read and like fix your book and so forth, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do in this business. Just remember that this is not a business. The Amazon KDP space for making money is no longer a quantity game. It's more of a quality game. You want to make sure that you're doing the highest quality possible. Okay. That's my recommendation for you. Okay. Let's say the book is complete. Now give me next steps. Okay. Because I want to see what the rest of the bot does, because I know it does more. Your book is complete. Would you like to prepare it for a sequel or series? Yes or no, right? I'm going to say no. So I'm going to say no, boom, because it's going to give us like our description, our KDP. Look at this. Here are your 7 KDP keyword phrases: cozy seaside fantasy, magical small town, found family fantasy, fantasy mysteries, sea glass magic, cozy lighthouse fantasy, comforting magic romance. You stay focused on the genre, mood, setting, and reader intent. Ready for the Amazon description? Yes. So this is the part that's so cool. Now, of course, Andreas and his team, I mean, this guy makes a full-time income selling books on Amazon, runs his own school communities. He's been doing this. He's been on the platform for years and years and years, one of the top creators in this space. And so he would have put the exact prompts, instructions, everything. That's what you're paying for with this bot. Anybody can go to ChatGPT and create a GPT. I get that. I really do. What makes a software or what makes a GPT valuable is the person behind creating it. When they have experience that they're bringing to the table, they have special knowledge, they know what sells, they know they went out and did all the research and work and everything on top of that with their own actual experience, making money in the space. They put all that together into this unique exclusive GPT, right? That's why you would want to buy this, right? Instead of just going to ChatGPT and say, hey, make me a GPT that will write books. I mean, anyone can go to just a chat and say to write me a book. You're not going to get the results that you're getting right over here. I think you can see that by the way that this writes. There would have been plenty of examples that they would have preloaded with this, all kinds of stuff, right? So that's what's cool. So we have our description right over here. And then now it says ready for the 2 to 3 Amazon categories. I'm just going to say yes. And I believe that this also will make our cover. I'm not sure, but I think it will make our book cover for us as well. So it also gives you, this is one of the biggest pain points. This is literally finding the exact categories to put your book in, which is awesome. Ready for the 100 author bio? Yes. See, so it's doing all of the work for us. And this is just the front end, guys. That this is only $17.88. The front end is literally, it's going to go to $47 if you don't pick it up during the launch week. And it just launched today. It is actually only $17 to pick this up. Really cool stuff, guys. And for that $17 front end product, the bot actually takes care of everything. Usually you have the one-time offers for the upgrades for the descriptions and all that kind of stuff. No, they threw it all in this bot, one bot, and you can write these books and you have all your keyword research done, all of your book descriptions, your whole thing. The author bio. Now it says ready for the portrait Kindle cover prompt. And I'm going to say yes. So it's going to give us a prompt that we can go and actually create in another chat. Most likely. I'm going to open that up, pre-open that up. So we'll go into another chat and then we would probably we would go like this and we would select image. No, it's actually creating the image for us right inside of here. Ready for the portrait Kindle cover prompt for the sea glass lantern. It's creating that in the back end and it's actually producing an image for us right now is what it looks like. Okay, so what do we have? We have our front cover right over here, the sea glass lantern, and it created this book cover. So you literally have this bot. I mean, look at this. It's great. And you have it right there as well. So you have this bot that literally created the entire KDP, everything you need to publish a book right here. The only thing that you have to do that's kind of a manual process is you have to copy all of the content right here and paste it into a Google Doc, which I do recommend taking a time. If you're not spending a couple hours on a book before getting it out, then you're not spending enough time and it's not going to work. You need to make sure that this is quality. And this is a shortcut to get there, but it's not an end all be all. Like it's not just to push a button and then it publishes. Believe me, if that exists and you do that, then I have a high confidence that your account will end up getting banned or the book will get banned. You want to spend time on this, guys, okay? But I do think that I'm very, very impressed with this bot right here. It just takes you from the very, very beginning on what to create. It finds your pen name for you. It asks you how long you want this to be. You choose one of the main the sub niches right there. Of course, they do recommend getting OTO 1 and 2 because then this is going to expand this from 10 to like 200, to in the hundreds range, right? So you got all kinds of good stuff right over there. Remember my Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot bonus right over here with $170. This right here is brand new right over here. Marketing swipe file for you to go out there and start marketing on all kinds of platforms and how to do it. You have your bonus right over here. It's in the same niche for the last product from months ago right there. And then you have my Bible niche finder right there. So this is only $17. It's a very hot niche right now on Amazon. Go pick up Cozy Fantasy Royalties Bot with my link below. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.